Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us for this pre-delivery inspection on a 2026 BMW X5 50e. So we have a hybrid. It's electric motor with a 6-cylinder, turbocharged, 483 horsepower, all-wheel drive of course. And then you have 0 to 60 time in a little over 4 seconds. BMW posted it as 4.6 seconds 0 to 60. It's one of the best chassis in my opinion for comfort, luxury, and sport. So a little over 75,000 for entry, and we're going to do a pre-delivery inspection on this. The combined MPGe is 60, but then you have 41 miles, a little over 40 miles of pure electric. This is in Manhattan green metallic with a coffee interior, so we'll go around and inspect things, make sure that there's no visual noise for delivery. All right, getting started, we're going to put it on the charge, just a regular wall outlet, so we don't leave the client with a below 100% delivery for charge. Just like so. Perfect. Look at how nice the wood grain is. A lot of times you'll have the rust inhibitor run down throughout the doors. Perfectly normal, but don't want to leave any smudges on there. Okay, upon entry you might see nothing here, but this right here would bother me. So see those water spots or anything like that? It's going to clean that up. Check the mirror. Also, another common spot is where these seals set up. Little smudges and leftover grease. Grill looks okay, maybe a few water spots here. Better. Thank you.
Yeah,
thank you. Yeah, great. Thank you. Alright, here we are all set up for delivery for the new owner, and this is on a 2026 BMW X5. If you'd like a special delivery like this, you can contact me at my email address here on the screen. Otherwise, have a great holiday, safe travels to you and your family, and I'll see you in the next video.